Okay, edit top structure, then draw the structure which you need to, the profile of the top. Okay, then you select the circle and move it up. Because the condition is these two are in different elevation, then only the loft will be possible. If the two profiles lies in the same plane, the loft will not be possible. Then finish it. Okay. The loft command will be there. Okay. Then next is I need a flowers or something like that. Maybe some pillar designs. That time I have to create a revolve command. Okay. Maybe, okay, I think better I draw a reference plane here before showing the command, because while using the revolve command, we have to. I think better if we created that in the elevation view, then you can easily understand. Okay, for that I am creating a reference line. This I have created one reference plane, because after that I have to design that model in that particular plane, so that I have to generate a reference plane. Okay, that is why reference plane. Then I draw a reference plane somewhere here. Okay, then I select that plane, then go to property. You can put a name for that reference plane. Okay, I think I put a name as A plane. I will explain why I have made that one. Okay. Then I use revolve command, because I need a 3D structure with a complex shape with a circular model. In that case, we go for the revolve command. Component, model in place, and whatever option may be, generic model, okay. Then okay. Then I go for revolve command. Okay, then after that I wish that model will be, after converting into 3D view, the generated model will be perpendicular to that plane, XY, sorry, in our XY plane, so that I may change this view into south view. Okay, then I create, whatever shape you need, you can create the shape. For example, one rectangular shape. I set the plane as the level I have created. Okay. Then the shape is something like this. Something like this. You have to put some grooves here or something like this. Element. Shape maybe you need, you can create that one. Then if you need, you wish to create a base, something like this, that is also possible. And I create something like this. This one and this one. Or something like this. Okay. You finish the profile. After that, you have to indicate the axis. Actually, this will be we can revolve that with respect to this axis, with respect to the horizontal axis, or with respect to the vertical axis. To show the system to which axis we need that. Next, after finishing that, you go for this axis line. Then I draw the axis here. Then finish it automatically. the revolver will be there. Okay. So I need that in this position. That is why I have created that reference plane. It is not compulsory for revolving command. The reference plane is an important factor. The motto of creating that reference plane is I need that in that position, the reference plane that I have created. That is why I use the reference plane. This is revolve command. Okay, the condition is first you finish the profile. After that, you have to input the axis. Okay. Component model in place. Option. Okay. Then okay. Then next is sweep command. I think sweep better. Normally we have used lots of option for sweep command because in the case of parapet borders and all we can use sweep command. Immediately I will create a model, then I will show you how to use that sweep command. That maybe if I show that in the our building model, that will easy to understand. Simple room. Okay. Centimeter. Okay. Okay. Then I put this as maybe 45. After that, I make a level. Then the height is about 300. Then pick that level. Then I activate the level 1. Then architecture wall. In the property palette, edit type. Make a duplicate. Okay. Quickly. Then I need a wall of 23 or something like this. Okay. Then okay. Rectangle, I think the constraint is up to level 3. Okay. Then I have created some wall, something like this. Okay. Then 3D view. Okay. Then after that, maybe I think for creating the steps, maybe that will be useful for us. Okay. I am not creating that plinth as such. I am just using that modeling purpose only. So that I have go for the flow command. Okay. So that is, I think, in level 2. Architecture flow, and the property edit type. This is what I meant for. Only for the modeling purpose only. That is why I have put it as 45. Edit type 45. Okay. Then okay. Then I have created something like this. Okay, it's better. Okay, I make some changes for I need to make a sit out also, so that I make a change for something like this. So I wish this will be sit out position. Okay, then finish it. Immediately we get something like this. This is only meant for the modeling purpose. Otherwise, you have to create the plinth and the 10 centimeter thickness floor. Okay. Next, I have to create a staircase here. The staircase command is also there because I think the staircase is meant for creating the staircase that we are generating to the movement of the different floors. I have one profile, then I have to move that profile in such path we have created. That time we go for sweep command. Okay, I activate. Okay, whatever level, maybe it doesn't matter. Okay, level 2. Then component model in place. Whatever option may be, I think okay, I also put it as a generic model. Okay, then actually this is my step, so that I put the name as okay. Then we go for the sweep command. Sweep command is little bit difficult, not much more difficult, but little bit difficult. Sweep command. Then the first step is you have to sketch the path. Okay, maybe you need a border, something like that, or the parapet borders and all. You have to complete the path. I need to say step something like this. This is the path of my step. The first step is sketch path. Then you can sketch the path. I draw the path is something like this. I need to step here only. That's why I create this one. After finishing sketching the path, you go for the finish command. Then the second step is you have to edit the profile. You go to the edit profile. Then that profile must be perpendicular to the path. Right now, the two possibilities is you can generate the profile because the position of our step is in the south side view. That is why north and south is not possible there. You go to the west side or east side. Okay, I go to the west side, open. Okay, then the west side will be open. Then draw the profile of your step. Then line, whatever maybe the steps I have created is steps, maybe 30 centimeter of tread, 60. Then maybe this is maybe of height of 15. Again 30. Again 50. 50. Then the condition is you have to close the road. In the case of path, it is not compulsory. You have to close the path. The path may be open or closed, doesn't matter. But compulsory, the profile must be a closed profile. Then go finish command. Then I think 3 finishes will be there. Okay, 2 finishes will be there. Then go to the 3D view. Then we will get the steps. So this is not in the case of steps also. Maybe you need to create some parapet borders or something, some taper sunshades or whatever maybe you can create. You first locate the path. You have to create the profile. Then even after creating that, I wish maybe we can convert this step to this side also, because the shape of the step side will be an L shape. That time you select the step, then edit in place, select the step again. Then first I need to change the path, so that edit sweep. Then you select this select path. Automatically the edit path will be there. Then you draw the path also. That's all. Then finish it. Then I will finish it. Then automatically the steps will be created. Okay. Maybe somebody used to change the profile. That is also a little bit different. For editing the profile, you select the step, edit in place, select step again, then edit sweep. There you have to select profile. Then only you can edit the profile. If you select sketch path, you can select the path only. If you wish to change the profile of your step and all, you go to select profile, then edit profile. After that, whatever changes you wish to change, you can do the changes. Okay. For example, I do something like this, then finish it. Then finish it. Automatically the changes will be there. This is the procedure for creating a sweep and how to edit that one. In the case of editing extrusion and sweep, little bit easier, but in the case of the creating with the sweep, little bit difficult. Okay, much more difficult. Some selections will be there. Then only the command will be activated. Okay. Actually, this is sweep command. Then one more command is there. That is, we have a path. Then the profile of the starting path and ending path are different. With actually in the case of blend command, we have to blend to the vertical position only. But in the case of a circular path or arc shape or something like that, that time we use swept blend. Actually, swept blend is nothing but it's a combination of sweep and blend. Okay. For that, I think I go to level 1. Architecture, component, model in place. Then okay. Then there is an option called swept blend. Okay, so this is a combination of sweep and blend command. Swept blend, then first you sketch the path. Whatever path may be. For example, I need something like this. This path. Okay, then finish it. Same as the sweep command. Okay, then go to, I think better go to the 3D view. Then select profile 1. Then go to the edit profile. Then draw the profile of the first profile. Okay, whatever profile you need, you draw that profile. Okay. Then go to the finish it. Then go to the select profile 2. Then go to the edit profile. Then draw the second profile. Okay. Then finish it. Okay. After completing this, automatically swept blend will be there. Okay. These are the major model creation of in-place model. Okay. This one, extrusion, blend, sweep, revolve and add. Actually, the void forms are nothing but we can repeat the same procedure, but after that we get a void. Okay, I will show you how to apply that void forms. Okay, in the case of, I think, in the case of maybe, I think I will explain. For example, I have to make some open here, maybe in the wall. But I don't want to open the entire wall. If I select this, and if you go to edit profile, then if I draw a profile something like this, finish it, the entire wall will be opened. But I need to open, maybe this wall is of 23 centimeter. I need that open of a 10 centimeter open only. Okay, in that cases, we go for our component, model in place. Then I think this is involved. I think better you can select this one. Okay, then okay, then go for void extrusion. Okay, then I have to set the plane here because I need to draw the rectangle because now the plane is in the level 2. That time whatever I have created that will be parallel to the floor plan. I need to generate something in this. For that you have to set plane, pick a plane, you go to the pick a plane option, okay, then pick the plane. Then draw the profile you need. I need the profile something like this. Shapes maybe you can use this command. Okay. Then the profile depth is I need a depth of 10 only. Then finish it. Then finish the command. Actually a void form will be okay, sorry. 1 second. Architecture component model in place. I make this okay. Then okay. Then go to void form extrusion. I set the plane, okay. And I set the plane somewhere here. Then go to extrude command or something like this. Then finish it. Okay. Then void form will be there. Then after that, we have to actually this void is generated here with a depth of 10 centimeter only. Then you have to cut this geometry. You go to cut geometry, then select the wall and cut the geometry. This is how void is working. Okay. Then I will show one more time. For example, I have to provide voids in the entire length of this particular wall. Okay, I will repeat that one more time. That time you can easily understand. Okay, here I have to make an open the entire wall till the end full depth. That time you actually go to the component, model in place, then generic model, okay, then okay. Then you go for the void forms. Whatever commands you need, the shape, depending upon the shape, you can go to the extrusion or whatever maybe, circulant or something like this. Condition is you have to generate, you have to follow the conditions. In the case of blend, you have to profiles. After finishing that, you have to cut the geometry. Okay. Otherwise, no use. Void extrusion. Then I have to create a void somewhere here. So that set plane, pick a plane option, okay. Then you pick the top plane. Then draw the rectangle. Okay. Then if you need multiple, you can go for, if you can select this one and you can go for array command. Sorry, array is not possible. You can go for copy and there is an option called the multiple. Then you can select this one and you can repeat this one, something like this. Then finish the command. After finishing whatever depth you need, you can change the depth because actually the depth is only 100. Okay. I think better you change this. Okay. Help of grid. It will be beyond the wall, it doesn't matter. Whatever void you can create, just to show that position. Then you go to the cut geometry. Then you select the wall first. After that, you have select the void. Automatically, that open will be there. Actually, that is the use of void command. Okay, this is the procedure that we are creating in place model. Whatever model you are creating, maybe for example, I have created something model something like this. If I need to copy these to multiple drawing, that is not possible. In place models are created this in that is meant for this particular drawing only. Okay. Then there is another option here, that is component place. Is a component is we have the software itself have lots of component that we can place it. In the case of furnitures or trees or something like that, you go for the in-place model. In-place model have, if you have different RVT files also, you can import that. Okay. If you go to the in-place model, you can go to the lot family. There you had lots of options there. Maybe if you need to place some furnitures, you go to the furnitures. Whatever, maybe bed or storage table, whatever, maybe you can select that one. Okay, actually these are the family files they have created with the help of extrude, sweep and blend command. I will show you how to generate the family. Then with the help of these commands, you have to create these files. Okay, these are parametric also. Okay, then okay. You can place it wherever. Actually, you create the level, that is better. Then you can place the component, place a component, then whatever maybe you can select and make it a duplicate and make the parameters and all. Okay, these are actually same the property, edit type. You can change the length, width, material part will be coming later, material and all. Actually, these are how we can create these is, actually this is the end of the section. I will tell you the basics of family creation. Okay. These are the part of components. Okay. In place model, if you have some curved wall and all, you can create a window with the help of model in place. Okay. This is the first part. Actually, regarding to our objectives, this is the first section. Next, we move into our second session, that is railing. Okay. I have to create the rail here. Okay. That time there is an option called railing. Sketch path. Okay. Railing. Then edit railing. There is a lots of railing is there. Then duplicate. Okay. You can input the height of the rail. Maybe I need a height of 90 centimeter. Then the rail types. This will be available. Different profiles and all. Whatever material you need, you can select the type and all. Profiles and all. Okay. Then okay. Then draw the path. For example, I need the railing from here to here. Maybe this is, if we provide steps, that doesn't mean that. Okay, assume that there is no steps. Okay. Then finish it. Automatically, the rail will be here. Whatever shape it is, maybe if you wish to change the shape, railing, sketch path, then you draw the path something like this. This may be code or something like this. Modify, if you select this one, maybe this will be open and this portion will be something like this. This portion will then finish it. Then we get the shape. Then if you change the properties, then here also we have different type glass panel railing or something like this. We can generate that one. Okay. Then I think it's better change to that 900 mm. Then if you wish to change the distance or the profile and something like that, you go for select the rail, edit type. Here there is two options, baluster placement and the baluster offset. Okay. Here you can change the distance from the previous. If I put 10, apply automatically. Then okay. If you put apply, it will be denser. Okay. Then if you go to the baluster offset, then the baluster structure. If you go to the baluster structure, you can insert some horizontal structure also. Whatever railing may be, I think name, then the default profile. You can select the profile, maybe 30 centimeter. The offset is taken from the bottom. For example, I take 20 centimeter, apply. Then okay, if you apply that, I think maybe that offset maybe 24 is something. Not the offset, sorry, the height. Offset is 0. Then you change the height. For example, I need the height of 20, apply. Then okay, if you apply that, we can change the structure of our rail also. Okay. In the case of railing, you can create something like this. Problem is maybe, for example, you have to create one rail here. For example, I will show you one model line. If I need a railing here, after that I need to finish a railing here. With the help of single command, this is not possible. First you finish this railing command, after that you come to this command only. Okay. Let me show you railing. If you go for the railing command, sketch path, then I take this as path. This one is the one path and this one is the second path. If you go finishing, immediately a warning indication error will be there. The railing line must be a single connected line. If you wish to create the railing, these two lines, first you finish the first line, after that you go to the second. Okay. And if you finish this railing, after that you come to the second step only. Then only we can create the railing. Okay, this is about the railing. The profiles, maybe I think the family creations, I will tell you how to change the profile. Maybe we need some other profiles. I will explain you how we'll create the profiles and all, then you can change the profile. I will explain through the wall sweep and profile also. Actually, that may be in the end of the session. Okay. This is really all about the railing. Okay. Then the next is come through the staircase. Okay. Actually, I will explain the basic model of the staircase. Maybe the coming session, if we have the time, we will go for the detailed session. Okay. For creating staircases, I activate the level 2. Then I need to create the staircase. Staircase, the different types of staircases will be there. Okay, circular shape or something spiral staircase center, you have the center and start, or L-type staircase, U-type and all. Okay, then first step, you have to assign the levels. From which level to which level you need the steps. Level 1 to level 2. Then you have to design the thread. Then you can change the edit type, you can make copy. Then here you can input the thread depth. For example, I need a thread depth of 30. Okay. Then the desired number of risers. The riser height system will automatically calculate each step. Maybe for the 16th step, actually this is within the conditions. Normally our riser will be, minimum will be 13 and the maximum is of 17. That is the acceptable value. If I put the number of risers 16, this height 18 will be the riser height. Actually that is able in our condition, correct? So that I take the number of risers as 19. Then 15.79 will be the number of riser height. Okay. Then, for example, actually in the first flight, actually this is the 2 flight steps. Okay. In the first, if I pick here, then system will show the number of risers that system created. Okay. Actually, I don't know. You can see that in the bottom that system will show that whatever risers may be created. Maybe in the first flight, maybe I need a step of number of 10 or something like that. You just here. Then repeat this from here or wherever maybe. If you select here, then you can change, because the alignment is from the center position. You change the location line. Run left, run right. Okay. Then finish it. Okay. Then if you go to the 3D view, automatically stair will be generated. And actually better you plan in such a way that, for example, 30, I need a 10 steps, so that I think better you create a model line while you are creating the steps in the plan. For example, we need to generate a step somewhere here. I think better randomly created, you create some reference lines. That time that will be easier. With the help of model line, you can input the offset of, maybe I need the step width of 100. Then you go for the pick command. Then you input the reference. Then the steps start from here and come in here. If you locate the reference line, the work will be easier. Okay. Then after creating the steps, you can change the railing as such. How we change the railing style? You select the railing, then go to the properties. There is an option. If you maybe if you need to change the style of the stair or something like this, you select that one. Then select the style and all. then the parameters and all you go for select then edit type. As such, we are done in the railing structure. Okay. Here also the duplication is important. If you are not duplicating the steps automatically, these also will be converted. That is the importance of duplicate. Then if you change the structure of this step, okay, if you need to change the structure, select here, then go to edit type. Then here that there is a run type option. Then I don't want to see the riser. That time you off the riser. Then apply. Okay. Then apply. Okay. The riser will be gone. Or sometimes you need to change the thickness, or otherwise you don't want the support or something like this. Select this. Edit type. There is an option right support. Actually, left support is closed. You make it as open. Apply. Okay. Okay. The same way you can edit just to go through these parameters. You will get the idea of where we have to change or something like this. Then you can apply some circulation rule for that. Maybe we have providing some, maybe in our design, maybe we wished our depth will not be exceed, the thread depth will not be exceed 30 or something like this. Maybe will not be exceed 25 or something like this. You can apply that condition. The minimum rule, the minimum width is system put as 100. That means we cannot input the width less than 100. Okay, something like the maximum riser, because the step heights in our design, the steps in the riser height will not be, because the riser height is decided by the system itself, depending upon the level that we are given to the system and the number of steps. System will automatically generate the height. Maybe if the height is maybe beyond the 20 or 30, system will show that that is about the rule and something like that. Okay, that is the procedure. You just go through these options, you will get an idea of that one. Okay. Actually, this is actually stair also. If you finish the part, it will take some time. Okay, after completing everything, if I have time, I will come through the staircase also, because staircase is also a bigger part of this, because all different types of stairs that we can created in a Revit. Okay, that is the part of staircase. Okay, then next we come across the part that sweep and reveal. Okay, that in the case of skirting or something, we have to create the border and all. We have to create multiple borders for this particular wall. Of course, we can go for the sweep command, but maybe it is a little bit difficult. Okay, otherwise, if you need a groove or skirting like this, you go for the void sweep and cut geometry. That is difficult. But this command is only meant for the wall only. For what the command that I have, the wall sweep and reveal. Okay. Here there is an option, wall sweep and reveal. Okay, this command is only meant for walls. That is why if you are creating some structure with the help of in place mass, maybe you maybe put that as generic model. That time you have to convert that into wall property. Then only you can apply this command. Okay, that is, it is not necessary. You have to delete the entire structure and you need to change the properties. Okay. You can convert that into generic model, into whatever properties you need, you can convert it that. So that is also possible. Then, okay, I will show you how to use command. Okay, wall. Then here there is two options. One is wall sweep and the other one is.
We can hear you.
Hello.
Please, Another has mentioned she cannot hear you, but actually it's audible for me. I don't know. Rest others can. Another, it's actually audible here. Can you please check the connection? Yeah, you can continue, please.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Actually, these commands are meant for walls. Okay, wall sweep and wall reveal. Sweep is creating the border. Reveal is that will be a cut is there. Okay, wall sweep and wall reveal. If I select wall sweep, then you can select the profile. Whatever profile you need, you can select the profile through edit profile. Then here, these are the profile category. But unfortunately, I don't have much more profile. You can import the profile through the lot family. Okay, if I need a profile, before actually this is the only profile available here. The software itself has different profiles. We can create our own profile also, that I will explain later. Then how to import the profile. For importing the profile, first you go to insert, then lot family. Okay, then there is an option of profile. You select there, then there is different types of railing profiles and all. If you need, if you wish to change the profile of railing, you can select this railing profile, roof profiling, and I select this as profile. I select this. I don't know what measurement of this particular profile is created. We can't edit the depth and width, but we can edit the length only. Then how to get? So that is why we have to create a new profile. Okay, then I select this profile. Okay, we will check with that. After that, we go for creating a new profile. I select this one, then open. Okay. Then one profile is actually, that is the profile already loaded in this system. Okay, that is the profile. Okay, I think better. I think this is already loaded in this. That is why the command will be appear. Okay. Whatever profile you need, you go to the lot family, then profiles, structures. Maybe I select this one, open. Automatically, that profile will be loaded into our system. Okay. Then go to the architecture, walls, wall sweep. Okay, then edit profile. Then you select the profile. Okay, whatever profile, like I select the default profile. Okay, MC shape or whatever default. Personally, I have shape, selecting the default profile. Then apply. Okay. Then if you hover over the wall, the profile will be appear. Architecture, wall sweep. Okay. Then you can select here. Immediately sweep will be here. Clear? If you select reveal, automatically the wall portion will be cut. You can use vertical or horizontal. Okay. Clear? The wall portion will be removed. But the problem is I need to how to change the size. I will explain later. But with the help of this, you cannot change the size. But for that, you have to create a new family profile. Then only you can change because that particular profile has a fixed size. You can't change the size of that particular profile. If you need a border of maybe of 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter, for that you have to create a new profile family. That I will explain later. Better, we will complete the session, the wall profile and sweep. After that, I will show you how to create the profile with the particular size. Okay. The problem is I need this profile with a disciplined manner. Maybe for example, I need from this to maybe a 50 centimeter. After that, I need a groove, and after that, I need a borders and something in the entire wall. That time it is not possible because in the case of complex structures, we have to click each and every portion is not possible. That time, you go to this wall property. If I select this, then edit type, I need to change the property to the entire wall structure, the walls that we have created. That is why I go to, without duplicating, edit structure. In the edit structure, you have the options sweep and reveal. Actually, now the sweep and reveal is in inactive mode because the sweep and reveal is active only in the 3D mode or in the section view only. That's why, because presently our view is in the plan mode. Clear? Because this is in the floor plan mode, that's why this is not highlighted. You change the view into the modified section view. Then immediately these options will be activated. Then I need sweep or reveal, whatever may be. Okay, I need sweep. Then you can load the profile. Here there is no need for, because if you are using with the help of wall sweep, first you have to load the profile first, then only you can apply that particular profile. But if you are going through this method, no need for go to the insert command and load the profile. Here there is an option for load profile. Then you can load the profile. Okay. Okay. So if you don't want any profiles automatically, by default there is the default options will be there. Open or maybe. Then you add the profile. Then you can select the profile you needed. Okay, whatever profile you needed, you can select. Then you can set the distance. Okay, from the bottom, maybe I need this sweep of, from this sweep with a distance of 50. You can input the material and all. Okay, in the case of that material calculations, or in the case of appearance also, that model material will be whatever material you using, you can apply that. Material is in our coming session only. Then apply. Okay, after that I need to, the system will show the, I think this is the shape. Okay, I need a reveal. That time you go for this reveal command. Okay, then you add. Then whatever structure, maybe I think I need the default structure. Then the distance is 800. Then apply. System will show the preview. If you need to change the distance, all that is also possible. Okay. Then I need to sweep with something. I need to add. Then whatever shape you need, you can select the shape. Okay. I don't know how this shape is. Okay. Then maybe it's of 200. Then apply. Okay, this is a little bit bigger. Okay, change the shape. Because we can't change the profile size. Actually, this will control with the help of that particular family. Maybe you select that one. Okay, then apply. Apply. Okay, if you are applying that, the entire wall will be converted to that particular shape, sweep or reveal. Okay. Then maybe some case some problems will be arises. There is a one more option, new option. For example, I have to create a wall with this similar property, wall or window, whatever may be. This similar property. We don't know what the name of that particular wall and all. That time, otherwise, for example, in the case of furniture, you have to place that furnitures with different parameters. Okay. Then you select this one. There is an option called create similar. Then automatically system will select the wall name. Then sometimes borders, maybe the wall sweep and reveal always comes outside. Depending upon the orientation that we have creating that drawing. For example, if I select that one, if I creating a wall, select this, then I create wall something like this. If I creating this wall, then if you go to, if I creating something like this, the border will be in the correct position. Okay. Actually, this sweep and reveal will be in the outside of the wall, because depending upon the orientation that we are generated, this problem will be raised. Then how to flip that into the opposite direction? Okay, for flipping this particular wall into the opposite direction with the help of flip command, if you select this wall, okay, if you select this wall, then there is an option called flip. Okay, then while flipping, some points will be noted. You have to set the location line as center line itself. Otherwise, the position of the wall will be changed. I will show you with the help of model line. Okay, I create the model line here. Okay, then if I flip, I select this one and I flip the wall. Automatically, it will be in the, okay. Then if you select that one, then if you change the location of face, it will be depending upon that position only. That is very important. Otherwise, room measurement will be changed. Maybe you have created a room size of 500 by 500. If you flip the wall with irrespective of center line, that will be measurement will be changed. That is the important one. You flip with respect to the center line alignment only. Okay, this is the way you can change. Flip the orientation. Okay, I think better. The flipping is only possible in the plan view. Select this and flip this one. Okay. Then go to the 3D view. In the case of material applications also, otherwise in the case of structural, maybe structural detailing will be there. If you are putting structural detailing, your exterior wall, maybe exterior wall property will be 2 centimeter, because 20 centimeter is the wall thickness, and the exterior plastering will be 2 and the interior is 1. But while drawing the orientation, maybe it may be changed. That time also you can use the flip command. Okay, this is the way that we have to create the wall sweep. If you wish to create the wall sweep and reveal in a particular wall only, you can go through this command. But this for sweep or skirting, or you can apply it to the entire wall, you go for the property and make changes here. That is better. Okay, then the comes to the family creation. How to create the family. Okay, before that I will show you with the help of this command. Actually, with the help of in-place model and the extrusion, we will create a roof, that vault roof. Okay, I think I will explain how to create. Then after that I will show you. After finishing this family also, I will show you how to create the vault roof. Actually, yesterday's the doubt will be erased how to create that one. Actually, with the help of roof by extrusion, you create the structure. Then after that, go to the void form. Then remove the internal structures. With the help of that roof by extrusion and the in-place mask, we can create the vault roof. After finishing this session at the family creation also, I will show you. If I don't have the time, I will show you in the doubt section. But I will try to clarify these in this session itself. Okay. Then the last topic arises from how to create a family. Profile family. Okay. Because I need a family or profile family of size 2 by 2. Or something border, something like this. Okay, 2 by 2. I need the border or reveal. I need to reveal this particular wall with a size of 2 by 2 only. We cannot change. We can edit the length, but we cannot change the. You can edit the grid. Like this, you can change the length and all. But you cannot change the size of this. Creating that particular file, you go to the template. Actually, this is the method how family is created. Okay. For that, first you go to file. There is new. There is an option called family. Okay. If you open family, automatically different templates will be available. Ballister. If you want to create a Ballister family, go to the Ballister family. Okay. These are the families already. Whatever maybe we are created in through the place a component, that RFA files are available here. Maybe sometimes we have to change some corrections of that particular only. That is also possible. You open that one, whatever changes you need, save. I think better you make a savers file, because if you save that, the parent file will be updated. Whatever maybe you select that file, then make changes, then save as a RFA file, then you can make, you can import that one also. Okay, here these are the families of RFA files available. Then I go to metric profile. If you need to create a door, you go to metric door. Then if you don't know whatever maybe, here I am going to that metric profile. There is a metric profile. Okay. Then immediately that template will be open. Here we can create the profile. Whatever profile you need for that profile, you can create. For that also you have to set the unit, UN, because I need that is in centimeter. You select these as centimeter. Okay. Then okay. Then you draw the shape. The border may be little bit curved or rectangular or whatever may be, using the help of this command. Okay. For example, line, I need this line of meter 2. You have to create this one. Okay. Maybe this is of 2 and this one is 2. Okay, whatever maybe. Otherwise, you wish this may be in the little bit curved or something like that. That is also possible. Okay. Something. Okay. Whatever shapes you need, you can select. Whatever shapes. In the case of parapet borders, or we use some shapes, something like this. Here I will show that one. That is maybe useful for you. I think create. I go to line command, select this. Actually, this is, there may be 5. Then in the bottom, I need 2.5. Whatever shape you need, you can create. Then maybe again 2.5. Enter. Then select this one and select this one. Whatever shape you need. But the problem is, after that, you cannot change the size of this one. For that, you have to repeat the same procedure and save this as a different file. Okay. Then you save this file. I use savers. Save as a family file. If you save this as a family, you can take this particular profile into any of your project. If you load this into the project, automatically this family one will be loaded into this project only. Better you save the file into any drive, okay, the desktop or whatever maybe. I think you create a folder or something like that. Profile, whatever, profile maybe 5 by 2.5 or something like this. Name maybe 5 by 2.5, something like this. The file type, while saving a Rivet file, the file type will be RVT. But while saving the family file, automatically the template file, while saying this file type will be RFA. That means this particular file can be accessible any of your project. Okay. Then save this. Then load into project. automatically this will be loaded into our project. Then if you go for a 3D view, I think wall sweep to the wall, then you select wall sweep or reveal or something. Then you go to wall sweep. Okay. Then in the property edit type, you can see the profile that we have saved. The profile 5 by 2.5. Okay. Then okay. I think maybe here there is another wall. That is why it is. I think make it create a new wall. Something generic wall. Then architecture wall sweep. Edit type. Make it duplicate. Okay. Then select the profile. Then okay. You can place it. Okay. But the problem is you cannot change. After that, I have decided that I need that 2 by 2. That is not possible. If you want that, automatically that RF, you have to open that file, then edit that one. Otherwise, you repeat the same process, same procedure. File, new, go to the family, then again go to the profile family. This profile, metric profile family, open. Then set the unit. Okay. Then draw the shape. For example, line of 2 by 2. In the case of or border something, we are using 2 by 2 or 1 by 1. Then file, better you go for save as command family. Whatever location you need, you can use that 2 by 2. 2 by 2, that is better. Then save. Then load into project. Whatever profile maybe, in which project you need, you can select. Okay. Then if you go to that profile and all, automatically we will get that option, that wall also. Wall sweep. Okay. Then edit type, just check it out. Okay, actually this is not the model. Actually this is P2 by 2. Then apply. Okay. See, why these two are automatically changed? I don't make a copy of that. If you make a copy, automatically that only will be changed. Edit type, make a duplicate, put another name. Okay. Then take the profile. Okay. And if you place, that will be changed. This is basics of family. For example, maybe if you place one door, actually it is not necessary. You have to start from the scratch itself in the case of family creation, because this is the bed I need, but this bed I don't want that cushion or something like that. Otherwise, you have to create something more in that bed. Then it is not necessary in the metric door. Then if you are selecting that metric door, then you have to start from the scratch. In the rectangle, you have to extrude and something like this. For that you select this one, then edit family. Here you can do the changes with the help of all these commands. Extrude and all. Whatever may be. Set a plane. You can pick a plane here. Then here. Then whatever changes you may wish to do, you can say, you can make the changes. If you load this into this particular drawing, this particular bed will be available here. Better you go to the file save as family. Then automatically this will come under the proper location while all the families are come. But if you wish, it is not necessary. You have to, everything will be put into RVT library. It is not compulsory. You can place it in your local drive or wherever maybe. You select that in the particular location. Then the bed, new bed or something, put the sensible name and save it. Then if you open the next project, automatically system while there is an option for load family. Then you select that particular bed. This is how the family works. You can create the windows or doors may be okay. This shape is okay, but slightly we need some small changes. That time you select that particular RFA files, then make the changes. Okay, that is the method. Okay, I think okay. Just I will come back to the PPT because they just me check. We will cover because last time we will not able to cover the total topic. Okay, just I will stop the share. Okay, we come to the objective. Okay, we will start with the actually today's objectives are how to create in place model. Okay, then railing, after that sweep and reveal, how to create the staircase and the profile family creation. Okay, you can later on work with the door, windows and furnitures families all. Okay, then I think it's better I do I will show you how to generate with the help of in-place model, how to create a wall roof. Okay, I think that is better. Actually, everything is depend upon us. With the help of that command, you can create an idea by yourself. There is lots of method for creating maybe a wall. For creating walls, you can use in-place model. Then you can create a model in place or something like that. Okay, but it's up to us how to generate that one. Okay, I am trying to generate a wall roof. For that, I am taking a new file. Architecture model, okay. Then I think for the better creation, I think we can place some reference level. That is, we can easy because if you are using roof by extrusion, system will ask where you have to start the roof. But presently I have there is no model here, so that I can't pick any surface. That is why I am using some reference. Okay. For creating reference. Why we are using reference planes means I can start the model with that plane. That is why I am using reference plane. Okay. Here the architecture there is an option called reference plane. I make a reference like this. Then another one something here. Okay. Then one more reference here. Because for creating that this. Okay. Then I select this reference plane. I think you change the name also so that we can easily identify that reference. I put that name as A. Then I put the name of this level as maybe 1, and this one is maybe 2. Okay. Then I think maybe bit maker, I think better, maybe 1000 or something like that. Okay. First, I have to create a curved roof so that I go to the south view. Okay. Then I have to generate a curved roof so that roof then go to roof by extrusion. Then system will ask plane. That's why I am already created a reference plane. Here I don't have any plane, so that I can't even select a plane. You can select this plane. Because I put the south name, I need the reference plane name is A. Then okay. Then whatever level, okay, I need that in level 2 itself. Okay. Then draw the shape of that roof. For example, with the help of this arc from this point to this point, semicircle. Okay. Then finish it. Okay, I think better you change the depth also. Okay. Okay, edit type. I think maybe 100 may be better. Then okay. Okay. Then we will get a roof something like this. Then next is we go to the west side. Okay. Then we create one more roof. That again, roof command, roof by extrusion. Then maybe the level is plane 1. Okay. Level 2 itself. Then maybe I create something like this. Okay, a little bit. Okay, something like this. Then finish it. Okay. Then if you go to the 3D view, you have 2 walls like this. It doesn't matter of the depth. Okay. Then there is one new command. That means I have to join this roof into this. So Victoria type roofing and all, we can create that. You have to join this roof to this roof. That time modify, there is a command roof join. You go to the roof join, then select the face and select the roof that you have to join it. Clear? Okay. Then this is the shape. Then I have to provide a void into it. So that in the case of waterproof, there is no option provided here. Okay, that you have to provide a void because you have to remove this one. Okay, better you go to the west side. Okay, then go for architecture, component, model in place. Actually, this is comes under roof category, so that I select this roof. Okay. Then okay. Then you go to void extrusion. Then the plane will be the plane 1. Okay. Then draw the shape because I have to remove this. Go to this command, this one and this one, and complete this. And I think better you have to extend something like this. Otherwise, the bottom portion will be not deleted neatly. Let them use something like this. And here and the structure. Okay, then finish it. Then go to 3D view. Then you can see the void. You have to remove this side also so that you extend like this side also. Then go to cut geometry. Go to the cut geometry. Then select the object, then the cutting object. Then finish it. Okay. Then you better go to the mirror command. Mirror. Then pick the axis. Automatically you come to the mirror command. Then repeat the roof join. Because you have to join this roof to this side. That time modify roof, we can join only the roof. Maybe sometimes if you are creating a roof with the help of generic model or something, that is not possible. You create a, if you are generating the roof with the help of in place, that the category must be in roof. Then only roof join will be active. Okay. Roof join. Then select the edge. Then select the roof face. This is the way. Maybe massing also possible there. This is the simplest way to create that one. If you are, I think better if you create this arc little bit bigger. If you make that arc with that same radius, it will be the top edge will be a sharper edge. Okay, maybe come together. This is the way. This is the procedure of creating this type of roof. Okay. This is piece of roof. Otherwise, you have to create a mass structure. After that, you convert that mass structure into the roof. This is a creating that type of roof. This is the you have to apply some simple technique on that, then apply that one. There are lots of methods maybe there for creating this type of roof and all. Okay. Actually, these are the topics that I wish to cover it today itself. I think better we have time to half an hour more. We go to the wall, curtain wall also, so that we can finish that curtain wall option also. Okay, the modeling part maybe we can finish. Okay. I think I move into the next topic. That means we are already created the generic wall and the stacked wall. Next, we have to generate how we have to know how to create the curtain wall. That is a glass type wall. For creating curtain wall, you go to architecture, then wall, then under properties we have an option of curtain wall. There are three types of curtain walls are available. Curtain wall, exterior glazing and storefront. Okay. Curtain wall, I select the first option. Curtain, it is as such same how we are created the wall in that normal walls. Okay, you have to set the level. Then draw the wall with the help of, I think better go to the top view. Level 1. Okay, I can delete this, all this one. Architecture wall. Then curtain wall level 1 to level 2. Okay, this is all I have created curtain wall exterior glazing. Then the next time I go for the curtain wall storefront, the same option from level 1 to level 2, then I have creating something like this. Then again I have creating the storefront with the help of storefront. Then level 1 to level 2. Okay. These are the curtain walls with different options. If we changed into the 3D view, automatically the 3 options will be there. Okay. The curtain wall with if you are using curtain wall only, we will get a glass wall only. Now glazing will be there. Actually, this will act as a single glass. Then if you are using exterior glazing, this will act as pieces of glass. Again, this wall will remain the same. This will act as a single glass and edit that individual glass also. Okay, that I will explain later. This is exterior glazing. Actually, this is these are called whatever maybe this. I think these are the grid lines only. Then, if you are using that storefronts, the wall with the mullions are there. Okay, these are the 3 different types of walls available here. Then, if you select this wall, then you can add in the case of curtain walls, you can add curtain grids. Maybe I am created a curtain wall. After that, I need to add some curtain grids because I need this wall as a 2 pieces of glass. That time, go for curtain grid. Then there is different options will be there. All segment, one segment, all except it. That means if you select all segments, the grid will be come under the whole segment. Okay. Here also we can use that. If you add here, automatically mullion will be there because this is with the help of storefront. That is why the mullion will be here. Okay. Then if you add this one segment, the mullion will be this grid will be on that particular segment only. Then sometimes I need the grids except this one. That time you go for all except it. To select this entire option, then pick here and select here. That is the difference. Adding the grids, all segment, one segment, and all except it. Then even after you can add mullions also. Okay, so if you need to add mullions, for adding mullions, the grid is compulsory. Without the grid, we cannot add mullions. Adding mullions, architecture, there is an option mullion. Here, if you have created a profile family, you can add that also here. Edit type, duplicate, okay. Then here there is option for profile. Edit type, duplicate, where is the profile? Here. Profiles maybe you can select. If you need to add the profile that you are added, that you go to the insert, load family, then add the mullion. Here also we have the option. The grid lines, grid line segments, all grid lines. Upon our necessary, you can select whatever option you need. Okay. Grid lines, select the mullion will come under this. Entire, automatically that entire. Okay. Then if you wish to change the shape also, you go to the edit profile. And then whatever shape you need to change, that is also possible. Then go to the fillet command or like same as what we are done in the wall. Okay. Then, next is actually the material of this entire wall is glazed. maybe sometimes in the case of ICUs and all, we have to add a solid material here. That time maybe solid material, or otherwise I have to add some door here, curtain door will be there. That time you have to select that particular glass. Then for this particular portion only, maybe I have to add a solid material somewhere here. That time you have to select that particular glass. For selecting that, just hover over your cursor into that grid, then use tab key. Then automatically tab will locate the adjacent planes. Okay, you select the glass. Then under this property, there is an option called solid. Automatically that will be, actually the material is applied here is gypsum board. Gypsum, whatever material maybe we can change later on also. Okay, first you select the glass, you need to make it solid. With the help of tab key, you select that particular glass. See, this is in pinned condition. That is why you cannot change. It is something like AutoCAD lock. Pinning is nothing but you select that one. Then there is an option called pin. PN. Automatically, we cannot change the positions and all. Actually, the storefront is by default in pin condition. So that means we cannot change the materials or we cannot change the properties and all. First, unpin that. Select that particular glass. Okay. Then unpin it. Then select that one. Then go to the property. Select that one. Then under this, there is an option called solid. In the edit time, we can change the material and all. We are not come across the material. Okay, you can adjust the thickness and everything. Okay, then offset, you can adjust offset. Just come through this, then you will get a clear idea. Then, sorry, apply. Okay, then we select this one and the solid. Okay, automatically that will be a solid one. Then the next step is I need to add a curtain door here. Because the curtain wall is there, mullion is there, then if I need to change it into a solid portion, that is also possible. For adding curtain door, actually the implementing curtain door is not the same way we are applying doors in wall. Actually, applying doors in curtain wall is different. For adding the curtain door, first you have to load the door first. Okay. For that, actually, system will design the doors for curtain door itself. The normal wall-mounted doors are not can be applied here. That time, first you go to the insert, load family, then in the door, under the door category, then in the residential, okay, I select this residential itself. There is curtain wall, maybe it is not available here. There is a curtain door will be there. Door curtain will be there. Maybe in my system, maybe that is not there. Okay, let me check. Maybe curtain door may not be there. Otherwise, you can download it also. Okay. Any other folder may be there. Yeah, here. Actually, in the Indian library, it is not, there is no curtain wall and all. Okay, you have to add this. Whatever do you have to select this curtain wall door. Maybe if you wish to change them, some changes, you need to add some handles or different style. You select this RFA file and make the changes. Then save the file as RFA. Then you can import. That is also possible. That is a better way. Maybe for small changes and all, don't go to the metric curtain wall profile. You just go to this door curtain wall double glaze itself. Then make the changes. The important factor is just you save that as a different RFA files. If you save that as in the same file, the parent file will be replaced. Okay. Select this. Automatically that door will be loaded under the position. Then the procedure is same as what we are done in how to apply solid. Select the glass where you need to apply that door using the tab key. Then under this option, that door will be here. If you check that before inserting that, it will be empty. That is the only difference. Okay, you select this one, automatically the door will be, you go to the plan view, then you can see that one. You can flip the directions and all. Actually, the size of the door is decided depending upon the grid size that we are given. We cannot change the depth or width of this window as we done in our AutoCAD. Sorry, done in board. You have to adjust the grid. You select the grid size will decide the size of the door. That is very important. Then the other thing is, maybe if you are created a ball, maybe I have created one generic ball. Well, one property. Maybe 300. Okay. From level 1 to level 2, I create some ball, something like this. Creating the wall, I decided to change this portion to add a curtain wall or something like this. Okay, then how to add that type of curtain wall into this wall? Okay, for that, go activate the level. Then architecture. Then under property, you select the curtain wall type, whatever you need. You can select curtain wall or curtain wall exterior or storefront. That is up to us. After that also, if you are creating curtain wall, you can add glazing and something like that. Okay. I select this curtain wall. Okay, curtain wall itself. Then you can set the level. Okay, maybe I need a level of 210, so that I select this as unconnected and put the name this 2100. Actually, I think that is in centimeter or something like that. Okay, okay, 2100. Then the important factor is, while inserting that curtain wall into the existing wall, you have to remove that wall. Correct. For that, you go to the edit type, and there is an option automatically embedded. You select that one. Only after that you go for OK. Then draw the wall. Then from here to here, wherever, automatically that portion of wall will be removed. This is how we can create a curtain wall into a wall. The important step is before implementing that curtain wall, you have, because by default the automatically embedded is in default selection. You select that one. After that, you can input the curtain wall. Okay, this is the procedure. Okay. Okay, then one more small things also. And after that, I think better we have to wind up that section. Okay. Then sometimes for hiding, maybe sometimes while working, this one is, I need to hide that one. For that, you can select this one and right click. There is an option called hide element or category. Whatever. Hide element means this element will be hidden. Category means that categories will be, the whole curtain wall category will be hidden. The element means the element will be hidden from our view. Then whatever changes I can make, we will create whatever corrections and all, we can make that changes. Then how to insert that model. After hiding, for unhiding, first you have to reveal that one. Then only if you select that right click, there is no option for unhide and all. Normally in other software in Canada, if you are hiding, there is automatically one option will be here you can unhide. For if you are hiding an object, for unhiding, first you have to reveal that object. After that, go for unhide. For revealing that, in the status bar, there is an option. The option bar, there is reveal. There is an option called reveal. If you reveal, if you activate the reveal, system will show the objects, what are the objects are hidden into that particular. Actually, this represents the site. Actually, in the site plan only that will be activated. That is why this symbol is here. Because we don't need that symbol. Okay, this is the object I have already hidden. So that you select that one, right click, then unhide element. Okay, then you deselect that one. Then otherwise, sometimes you need to isolate this one. You have to hidden the other object. That time you go for isolate. There is an isolate. Isolate element means element will be appeared in our screen. Sometimes so for creating some complex structures and all, I think these are very much useful for you. Okay. Then for unhiding, you select this again. Then reset temporary isolate. It will be here. The only difference is if you are hiding something, you go for reveal command. Then only you get the you can see whatever the objects you are hidden. Then select the object again and go for unhide command. Okay. I think that's all for today's topic. Just I come across one more time. These are the topics. Other than that, we cover up. After finishing our, I think, BIM workshop schedule, definitely, if you wish, I will go for the detailed stair modeling and all, because for completing that stair modeling and all, because we need a minimum of 3 hours or something like that. That is why I am telling the basic models. Just you try it out, that spiral stair and all. Then some complicated stairs we need some time. After finishing this workshop, we will make some arrangements for the detailed study of stairs and all. Okay, I think thank you.
So yeah, so I think like we are coming to an end of today's session. So we have noted down all your doubts and we'll clarifying in the evening session. So there is a small request. Actually today we are planning to conduct the doubt clearance session at 3 o'clock. Hope it is okay for you all.
Whatever doubts you are erases in the chat box, we will explain in the evening session.
Okay, so we have noted all the doubts. So please note that today's session we will be conducting at 3 o'clock. I'll send you the invitation for 3 o'clock session once again. So thank you all. So we'll meet at 3 o'clock. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you all. We
Thank
will
you
meet
all.
at 3 o'clock. Okay. Thank you.